guys, good morning. So today's Saturday. As of the time I'm recording this video, and I'm preparing to go out for hiking. So guys, I made this hair yesterday. How I love my twist, guys. God, this girl is beautiful. This Saturday morning was so peaceful. Then we got to the hike site and we had to just wait a little for people to come around. And yes, I had to just reserve my strength for later. I beg. The next was to join the queue and go get the tickets, and it comes along with the water. Now watch this. Every Nigerian hike or African hike always comes with that speaker. There is always music. Then we start heading. That's my water, by the way. We start heading to the mountain to climb. Well, another beautiful thing is the jokes, guys. Yes, we are climbing mountains, but then there is a lot of jokes flying around. And one beautiful thing personally is going with family. Guys, it's so beautiful and it's such a blessing to go hiking with your family. Like this is a blessing I enjoy on hikes. In a typical Nigerian hike, guys, people come with their birthday cakes to celebrate with their hike friends. Like, how lovely. Well, you find people that come and sell their products. They sell food, drinks, maids, water. Going hiking has taught me some life essentials. Like, preparation is very necessary. There is no road to success that will be accomplished if you don't prepare. You just can't go to hike you're not prepared, when you're not taking the right things, when you don't have the right boots, you don't have the right kind of bag, you're not prepared enough. To just go hiking, you just have to go prepared. And hiking has taught me to have stamina. Like, I can hold on. I actually know this. I know this before now, but with hiking, I just know you don't stop because you are tired. You just keep moving. And you also help people. Yes, no man is an island, and we need everybody. Well, even when society teaches us to do otherwise, you need somebody to get to the top. In a Christian life, in academies, you just can't be a loner. Everyone is needed. You just can't keep counseling people. People are needed in your life. There is just one thing I'm asking the Lord for. Father, give me the gift of men, and help me also be a gift to people, so that I'm loyal to my friends and I'm there for them, and I see them and I'm praying for them. Talk about the music. Nigerians, oh Lord, we love songs. Guys, so yeah, another hike today. Yeah, my energy. So, and this one today is all rocky. I'm going to take you guys through here. Finally, at the top of the mountain. Oh, the satisfaction is not here. It's just beauty. Well, no matter how long you stay at the top of the mountain, you must have to go home. So, yes, everyone, now we're going home and we're just climbing down. And, this part, you're all sweaty and you're like, oh God, who sent me? Why did I come here? But then it's part of the joy of hike, the meeting the trees and stuffs, and really finding it difficult to navigate the rocks, So one beautiful thing about hiking that I've experienced is reaching out to people when they're tired. You just want to encourage people to go on the journey, and sometimes you just want to stop there and wait with them for a while until they have strength again to move on, and it's just wonderful. At this time, the hike for the day was coming to an end, and well, can we take a minute and appreciate this African woman's minute twist? It's giving. And that's the end of our hike today. Bye bye.